Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick tour. It's Sunday the, I think, 5th or 6th of February, forgetting then. It's 11.9 degrees, 64% humidity. That's because I've not had this on very much today. So hi Monkey, hi Paul. Just a quick tour around. This is my beautiful pink, my carnation, which will be getting ready to flower soon. I'm going to take some cuttings off this. It's got some really nice cutting material, I don't know if you're seeing there. All these cut really well. I should get a good strike rate as well with those. Really nice thick ones down the bottom there. My little water container, got this from I think Wilco's, only a couple of quid that, and I've used the lid as well. This size I cleaned up last week or the week before and just put some water on there. And you can see the tips there just starting to come through. That is a ring of begonias. They were Thompson Morgan plugs last year, so they've stayed well then. I've not had to mess about with them, just had to dry them out in the autumn, take the tops off and just put them on one side. And now it's getting February, so the night's getting a bit longer, a bit more daylight, sorry. I've started watering it and it's come back to life, which I'm so pleased about. Some mint in there. I think what's this? Some white store spring onions, and watering these, it absolutely, everything smells of onions now. So on here we have my cosmos, which is coming through nicely. We also have some agapanthus in the middle there. They're my own seeds. I knocked them over. That was full of plants. And then I have some phlox, I can't even pronounce them there. Don't know if you can read those. Monkeys down here. I've got some rosemary. I think that might be thyme, or parsley, flat leaf parsley. And then here we go here, got some cornflowers and some lemon balm. I'm going to be showing how to put these on later on today. So yeah, they'll be getting picked out and potted on. Now they've got a set of true leaves, time for them to be potted on a little bit more. Right, get my little stand. Up here we have Echinaceas, a couple of Echinaceas. I think one of them's a lupin as well. Here we have from last year. These are my beautiful petunias. Just get one down. Look at those, absolutely stunning. I put these right back. These went underneath my LED T8 strip lights. Sprayed them twice for powdery mildew. And they're absolutely stunning. Got one there and one here. This one as well. This one's actually got some flowers that's starting to appear on there now. Some nice flower buds. Seeing there. So yeah, next to those we have our poppies, which I've just reseeded some. I had about 2 or 3 of the total tubes that didn't germinate, so they're coming along the tree. And here's my sweet peas. They've been nipped out and I've given them a feed, so they'll be thickening up nicely. And here we have my little tub. These all need starting to sow now. These are my cuttings from last year, my begonia cuttings. I've had a year of growing. We've got some pest and diseases on them. Give them a spray, get on top of things with those. Come down here. Dianthus in the middle there. And then we have cornflower at the back. It's got a touch of green fly. I'm going to be showing you how to spray for those later on. And then at the front there we have 12 verbascums. Snow maiden, they're looking up really nice. Some more petunias here, saved. And then we have delphiniums at the back, mixed with penstemons. And then we have some pelargonium cuttings as well. Some daily tubers from the garden that are coming along nicely. Then we have, I think these are radishes. And some more dailies at the back there. Some rose cuttings. And then we have 4 lupins, Chelsea mix. We're putting those on as well. As we come round here, go to my heater propagator. Just get the lid up so that the focus. Hope everybody's keeping well. We have 4 dahlia cuttings there. Let's put these up because I've got a lot of fungus gnats. Yeah, I use some organic peat-free compost and it is just absolutely covered in them. Some dahlias there, some dahlia tubers that I've just started. Some 10-week stocks there. And 2 trays of begonias that are just start coming through any time now. And then we go back down to my heated propagator bench. My lights. There's 2 lots of begonias up there. Tomatoes are absolutely storming ahead. I don't know if you can see the size of these. These are the small pots, but even these are big, big, big. Green fly there as well. I didn't notice that. I'll have to sort that out today. As we come round, yep, pelargoniums. I have a fuchsia. That's a trailing fuchsia, absolutely gorgeous. Chives there. You always forget the name of these, freesias, and the smell on these is absolutely divine. Dianthus pulmonaris, looking really well. Then we have rudbeckia, marigolds and petunias there, all in one tray. A nice begonia there that's really taking off. And then a tray that arrived yesterday of dahlia tubers. So, if you can see on here already, these have only been in a day. You can already see just there, just that little white bit there, and on here you can just see as well, just there, their little eyes that are going to swell up and produce a lovely show of flowers this year. So yeah, that's a quick whiz around my little heated greenhouse. If you've got any questions about anything growing here, please don't hesitate to ask me a monkey. Monkey will get right back to you. And if you like the videos, please subscribe and like. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. Everybody keep safe. Thank you. Bye.